Nerd, ready to head back to day 2 of MOA?
I'm definitely ready to head back to day 2 of MOA, Jacob.
It's gonna be a fun day. Maybe I'll even race some go-karts with you.
That would be amazing. I can't wait.
Okay, cool.
Why does this sound like we're setting up a...
Because it has actually hit 100
Triple
degrees
digits.
outside. This is not Phoenix. This is not Los Angeles. This is an SOS call for 100 little zero.
So we're back at Ready, Tech, Go for the Youth Drone Sports Championship for high school. Currently we're going through a bunch of different qualifying sessions right now. Each guy gets 3 attempts to qualify on the track. They get the whole track to themselves, which means they can go for the cleanest, best line possible.
Last, do not finish last. Post your documents in the cube. He's in Sauer's cube first. How do you compare what you've gone through as a professional with what you're seeing here at the student level here at Ready, Tech, Go?
You know, one of the things that I'm most excited about with drone racing is seeing the new approaches to getting into professional drone racing as it is. So, you know, when I got started, it was just about making sure that a drone like actually stayed in the air for a few minutes. But now it's figure out how do I go from high school to maybe professional sim racing and then into drones, or whatever the path is that's evolving and changing, and I'm really excited to see what the differences are between how I started and where I'm going now. The skills that you learn from racing, the skills that you learn from controlling a drone translate not just into executing a course properly, but you're able to handle the pressure, for example. So like when you're on set and a director says ready, action, there's a lot of pressure that's on top of you, and it's the same kind of thing that you experience when you're racing. So being able to take those skills and translate it over into other places to make a little bit of money and to sustain your hobby and your sport and your passion creates more opportunities for you down the road.
I'm hanging out here at Ready, Tech, Go, meeting some awesome people, hanging out, playing the sim, playing video games. This is the Nationals event for the YDSC and CDSC, which stands for Youth Drone Sports Championship and Collegiate Drone Sports Championship. So that's all high school and college students racing from all around America and in this one spot at the Mall of America. If I can get into my right mental state, I know that I can have a fun time flying, just focus on having a fun time, not worried about winning. And when I'm in that relaxed state, I know I can kind of put myself into a zone where I go into a flow and go through all those gates like it's nothing. To be Viper, it's going to take consistency and minimizing any mistake that I could possibly make.
You know how many?
You ready for this?
Oh yeah!
You psyched up over here? You ready for this?
Yeah, I'm real psyched.
So one of my strategies I like to use, it's really no secret, I just stay back, I stay calm. I almost let people go ahead of me, I stay calm. And especially on a track like this, you crash so much, so I kind of almost rely on that a little bit. And then if I realize that we're getting close to the end of the track, I can push and I can adjust from there. One of my advantages would be that I'm a little bit smoother, I'm a lot more consistent. He is really fast, he's definitely faster than me, I can give him that. But he can't stay that consistent, and especially on a track like this, that might give me a little bit of an edge on him.
The course is amazing, the pilots are flying it, they're figuring it out. I think everyone's having a good time, which is important, and I think the right pilots are winning, and that's important as well.
Lesson 5.
Marshall, you can change tack.
I can help him.
You know, there's a bunch of different ways to handle a situation like that. You can decide to kind of be introspective, focus on your ability to control your own race, or you can go on the attack. You can find a way to get inside their head. You can find an opportunity to take advantage of their lack of focus. This could be it.
Oh, Vanadium.
Ooh, Vanadium with a big mistake off the launch.
Was that a?
He flips over, but his quad is not currently taking off. That's not looking very good, but that means Viper has a strong lead, but Happy and Quad Boy here to try to take advantage of the opportunity that they've been given.
So was that a midair before the first gate?
Viper with a fairly substantial lead, being the only one in the cube.
We'll talk about it later.
Quad Boy and Happy's just entering the cube now. Maybe Marty can go over there and sneak a peek and see what's going on with that drone. Meanwhile, Viper continuing to work his way through the cube. With this positioning as an ace holder, he has an opportunity to be the winner tonight. We're still waiting to see what's happening with Vanadium's drone, but Happy and Quad Boy, Viper, all still in the air. This could be a big opportunity for Happy to get some more points on the board, potentially even score that second place podium. Viper through the toddler tunnel, coming around the flags and into the switchback section. He's ascending to the top, right, Doritos, down, left. One more spin around and through the infinity cube for the win.
Viper with his second ace.
Viper, your national champion. Viper, congratulations, first place at the first ever YDSC Championship. Like, how you feeling right now?
I'm feeling pumped. I'm very happy. Couldn't be happier.
What's it feel like? Like for me, like when I won something, like I would feel like relief. Do you have any other words that you could use to describe it?
Yeah, I am a little relieved. I think it's just happy. It's the thing.
What's the next step for you? What's the next step in your drone racing career? Are you gonna keep going after some bigger wins, or bigger and bigger wins?
Yeah. AK is definitely on that list.
Yeah.
I think bigger there.
Yeah.
Eventually, I'll be getting a 5-inch, and I'll be coming for the top dogs up there too.
There you go. So, like from one champion to another, what does it look like next? Like, how are you gonna repeat this?
Yeah.
'Cause I haven't done that yet, so.
You're gonna keep grinding. You know, you can't stop. The second you stop, the competition gets an edge, even more and more. So.
Awesome. Well, keep crushing it. Awesome work tonight. Absolutely dominant. Super excited for you. And stay flying, man.
I will.
All right. Awesome.
Yeah, thank you.
Well, that's it for the Youth Drone Sports Championship. Congratulations to Viper for first place and to Vanadium for second place. Is a bit of a heartache that the drone didn't start up quite right and there was not a chance for them to really battle. I thought it was going to be a pretty epic race, but it was awesome to be a part of this. Thank you so much to Airviews for bringing me and Winston out to kind of film some of the YDSC shenanigans, and we're really excited to have been a part of it. So hope you guys like checking out like what the future of drone racing can be, especially here at the high school level, and to see where this could all go here in the future. So thanks very much for watching, and stay flying.
If only we had known.
Get your merch on nerc.tv, store.nerc.tv.